Are you tired of paying monthly fees for Loom, Zoom, and other expensive video tools? What if I told you there's a single platform that can record, edit, transcribe, and even add interactive features to your videos, all powered by AI, and you can grab it today for just $69 lifetime? Yes, you heard that right. No monthly subscription. One payment, lifetime access. Welcome to my review of Dadan, an all-in-one video creation and meeting tool that just launched on AppSumo. Stick around, because I'll walk you through everything it can do. And by the end of this video, you'll see why it's being called a Loom killer and Zoom alternative combined into one. And remember, if you want to grab this deal, I've placed the link in the video description and also in the pinned comment below. So, what exactly is Dadan? Dadan is an AI-powered video platform that lets you record videos directly from your browser, desktop app, or even Chrome extension. Edit instantly online. Trim, blur sensitive information, add text and annotations, and take your content to the next level with interactive elements like forms, polls, quizzes, and clickable buttons. In short, it's not just screen recording, it's video creation, meeting recording, and audience engagement, all packed into one powerful tool. If you're a content creator making tutorials and product demos, educator or trainer who wants interactive lessons with quizzes, business professional who needs to record meetings and share notes, or even a marketer looking to generate leads directly inside videos, then Dadan is designed for you. Record any video in seconds. You can record full screen or just a portion of it. Want 4K quality? Dadan has it. Need to annotate while recording? Add text, highlights, or even draw on your screen as you go. And once you're done, you can share instantly via a simple URL. Streamline your meetings with AI. Dadan connects with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, so you can schedule, record, and let AI take care of the rest. It generates transcriptions in over 100 languages and even creates meeting summaries and detailed notes for your team or clients. Drive engagement with interactive videos. This is where Dadan really shines. Imagine creating a product demo video and automatically adding a quiz at the end, or uploading a tutorial and adding clickable buttons, links, and even file downloads directly inside your video. Your audience isn't just watching, they're engaging. Work smarter with integrations. Dadan plays well with tools you already use. It connects with HubSpot, MailChimp, Dropbox, and Shopify. That means leads collected through your videos can go directly into your email marketing software, and your video distribution becomes seamless. AI-powered organization and SEO. This is a big one. Dadan can auto-generate video chapters with timestamps, create metadata tags, and help boost your video SEO. That means your content becomes easier to search, easier to share, and easier to scale. Now here's the best part. Normally, a tool like this would cost you $20, $30, or even $50 per month. But right now on AppSumo, you can grab Dadan for just $69, lifetime access. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, just one payment, and you're in for life. Plus AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, you literally have nothing to lose. And did I mention? Over 20,000 users are already using Dadan to create videos effortlessly. So if you've been looking for a smarter, faster, and more affordable alternative to Loom and Zoom, this is it. Dadan combines video recording, AI-powered transcription, interactive elements, and seamless integrations into one powerful platform. This isn't just another video tool. This is a game changer for content creators, businesses, and educators alike. If you're ready to level up your video game and lock in lifetime access, check out the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Don't wait too long. AppSumo lifetime deals are famous for selling out fast. So grab Dadan today and let AI handle the hard work while you focus on creating amazing videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews of the best lifetime deals. See you in the next video.